Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today we'll be discussing how you can turn off the focus mode on your iPhone. As you can see that if your focus mode is on in your iPhone, there will be an up left side you get to see a logo which indicates that focus mode is turned on in your phone. And now how you can turn off is just swipe from the right side of the phone from here, just swipe down and you see that there is a focus mode here. You just need to tap on it for a second and it will open like this. What how you can turn off, just tap on it and it will automatically turn off your focus mode, just like this, and it will go away. You can select any focus mode from here, and you can just by clicking tap it will turn on the focus mode, and tap again it can turn off your focus mode. I hope this video helps you in identifying your specific niche and focus within your iPhone, and able to turn on and off your focus mode within your iPhone. Keep subscribing and liking our videos. Until next video, bye bye.